this channel. I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Anyway, so today we're going to be learning about making sentences in Yoruba language. But before we go into all of that today, we need to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Aku dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Deke. Thank you very much, Eshu. Okay, so for today we're gonna start with something simple like I want to eat. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. I'm going to say how we say them in Yoruba, and then I would like you to please repeat after me, okay? I want to eat breakfast, okay? You will say, mo fẹ́ jẹ. I want to eat is mo fẹ́ jẹ. Mo fẹ́ jẹ. And as you know, food is oúnjẹ. Oúnjẹ, okay? We know what morning is, afternoon, and night, right? We learned all of that last year, okay? So, mo fẹ́ jẹ, I want to eat. Mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ àárọ̀. I want to eat my breakfast. Mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ àárọ̀. Okay? Now, if you're to have your lunch, it is mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ. What is afternoon? Ọ̀sán. That's your lunch. Mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ ọ̀sán. I want to eat my lunch. Okay? Now, if it's snack, okay? Snack is called ìpápánu. Ìpápánu. So it's mo fẹ́ jẹ ìpápánu. All right? Now, if it's your dinner, mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ alẹ́. We know night is alẹ́. Okay? Mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ alẹ́. Okay? I'll see you next week. And as you know, we'll be saying our Odabo together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Odabo. Thank you very much, Eshu.